Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Modified bromage scale. So bromage scale, there is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So what is 1? So scoring of, so we begin with 0. So scoring of 0 means there is no motor block. So no motor block. Next is we move on to 1. So 1 means that inability to raise the extended leg. So there is inability and inability of what? To raise. Inability to raise the extended leg. Next is able to move the knees and the feet, and it is able to move. So you are able to move the knee and the feet, knee as well as the feet. Next is we move on to type 2. So in scale 2, there is an inability to raise the extended leg and move the knee. So inability. So the inability is to raise the extended leg. To raise, it's similar to that of 1. So inability to raise the extended leg, and also move the leg, and also move the leg, move the knee, also to move the knee, and the person here is able to move the feet, able to move feet as well. Next we move on to the type 3. So when we see the difference is that in type 2 there was inability to extend the leg, to raise the extended leg. So inability to raise the extended leg, and compared to 1 it is just extended leg, compared to 2 it is extended leg plus the movement of the knee. So this is the only major difference. Now moving on to the third variety, there is a complete block of the lower motor limb. So complete block is seen, and this complete block is seen in the motor limb as a complete block. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.